Hi folks, this is SimplexX, and this is a really quick damage skin request fill that I'm doing, and I wanted to do a video to show how to actually apply this request. So I do have another video on how to actually create a damage skin from scratch, and I'll put a pointer in here, but given that you don't want to go through that whole process, I've already pre-created the damage layer that sits that you can utilize on any blank skin that you've created, and you can apply it just to that blank skin to get the damage layer yourself. So I've done that for the HE163, and anybody that wants to, or sorry, HE162, anybody that wants to use that in the future is welcome to use it using this methodology. All right, to keep this short, I've already gone ahead and loaded up all the files. So Mother Russia created this Google plane, and he included two layers with it, the Google plane layer itself, and the damage layer that he included was just the default damage skin layer. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. It doesn't do us any good. And he did say that this was just for fun, so there wasn't a lot of expectations here. But if I love this plane and I want to fly it with a damage layer, these files will allow me to do that pretty easily and quickly with GIMP. Okay, so the two files I included, one is the transparency sort of alpha channels. Everything that's black here is where the transparencies are going to go. It's where the holes in the plane will actually exist as opposed to just the, the bullet markings and smoke. And then this is just that. That's all the bullet markings and smoke. Um, the other thing to note is this is all 2048 by 2048. When I first loaded this Google plane, I had to resize it to 2048 by 2048, but again, to keep it short, I'm not going to go through all that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is load this transparent layer, and you go to Select, by Color, and click on anywhere that's black. That is actually where all the transparencies are going to go. So we go ahead and make this not visible, the selection stays there. Make the original skin that we want to transform into a damaged skin visible, and press delete. And you can see if we go in, oops, sorry, I was not on the right layer. Okay, so come over to this layer, make it visible, and then press delete. Okay, now you can see when you press delete, it makes all those checker patterns, means that it's no longer solid there, it's all transparent. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is turn on the damage. And we can go ahead and press select none, and essentially that is our damage skin. We have all the damage showing on top, all the transparency is transparent. Let's go ahead and do a new layer from visible just to make this all occurring in one layer that we trust, and we'll go ahead and save that out. Export to user skins HE162 damage. This is the one we want to replace. And that's great. We now have the damage skin in the right place. However, just for demo's sake, I'm going to replace the primary one. We'll export that. You don't need to do this. The only reason I'm doing it is just to show you what the damage skin looks like. And there you go. Or do a refresh. But there's your damage. That's what it'll look like. Obviously, the places that are transparent when you have real damage will be real holes in the planes. Any questions? Send me a post, and good luck. Have fun.